Hey, what's up, creators? Ever dreamed of launching a YouTube channel but felt stuck with editing, scripting, or, let's be honest, running out of ideas? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a complete AI-powered YouTube channel in literally minutes. Yeah, you heard that right, minutes, not weeks. First up, channel name and branding. Just feed your niche into an AI tool like ChatGPT or Namelix, and boom, dozens of catchy channel names and taglines ready to go. Want a logo? Let Midjourney or Canva AI whip up something unique in seconds. Next, you need killer video ideas. AI brainstorming is wild these days. Tools like Jasper or VidIQ can drop 20 viral-worthy ideas just by typing a simple prompt. Take your favorite and let AI flesh out a ready-to-record script. Seriously, I just did that for this video. Now for the fun part, making the actual video. You don't need fancy cameras. Try AI video generators like Pictory or Synthesia. Upload your script, pick an avatar or voice, and watch your video come to life. Add auto-generated captions and background music, and you're basically done. Editing? AI can handle that too. Tools like Descript or Cut, trim, and even add effects while you chill. So in just a few clicks, you've got a fully branded channel, video ideas, scripts, and finished content, powered by AI. No excuses left. Hit upload and start building your dream channel today. If this blew your mind, hit that like button and let me know which AI tool you're most excited to try. Catch you in the next one.